Hello everyone, welcome to Electric Power Syrup YouTube channel. This video is dedicated as a tribute to Dr. Ned Mohan. As many of you may be already aware that he passed away last month. Unfortunately, I was traveling and just returned to be able to dedicate this video. It's a significant loss to the power community and he will truly be missed. Said that I'm confident that his legacy will continue to inspire us and be carried forward by his family, friends, students, and everyone whose lives he touched. So, my deepest condolences to his family, friends, and loved ones. May he rest in peace. I will share a link in the description about this announcement where his journey is shared in a detailed manner. It also includes links to share words of remembrance with his family if you would like to. Do check it out. If you want to share any thoughts or memories with him, this YouTube channel and the associated book are part of his vision, and I hope to carry forward some piece of his legacy. So stay tuned for more content, and thank you again for watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for the latest content. See you soon.